I'm sure I'm not the first one to say, but welcome to Newtown. You're Norbert, right? Maybe Sophie, or maybe she mentioned me that I help manage all the clubs here. Everyone is involved. So I know everyone and arguably everything. I regularly update the bulletin board with announcements and listings. It's just outside the cafe of Goos and Roof. I actually officiated their wedding. They're kind men. And they give great advice if you ever need it. Look. It's 9 a.m., but the moon is still in the sky. Beautiful, no? Romantic?